Hello friends, today we will be making anti-aging collagen gel. To make it, first we take a fresh beetroot, wash it thoroughly to remove any dirt or impurities, then peel off the outer skin carefully. Now finally grate the beetroot to extract the juice. Transfer the grated beetroot onto a clean white muslin cloth. Gently squeeze out the juice into a bowl. If you find the juice isn't enough, don't worry. You can add little bit of water to the grated beetroot and squeeze it again to increase the quantity. Forgive me this what torture my feet. It's always been Jesus. It's always been Now pour the beetroot juice into a pan. Let it come to a gentle boil. Now it's time to thicken the mixture. Add a little bit of cornflour to the boiling juice and stir continuously. This will give you a nice slurry consistency. It's always season. It's always Meanwhile, let's prepare our natural collagen booster flaxseed gel. Take some flaxseed and add water to it. Start boiling and let it simmer until you get a thick gel-like consistency. It's always been season. It's always been to bring what you for. It's always Once the flaxseed release the gel, strain it carefully to remove the seeds. Now mix the flaxseed gel into the beetroot mixture. Now mix the flaxseed gel into the beetroot mixture. Stir well until both combine into a smooth gel-like texture. To enhance the benefits and add lovely fragrance, I am going to add 3 drops of rose essential oil. You can use any other essential oil also of your own choice. There you have a natural chemical-free skin nourishing beetroot collagen gel. Apply it daily for your natural glow and hydration. Who saves me from trouble? Who can see me true? It's always been you.